Hey friends, if you encounter the YouTube ad blocker issue on Firefox, then I'll help you with the resolution. This is what the error looks like. Ad blockers are not allowed on YouTube, or only 3 videos will be allowed without the ad blocker, etc. In this case, simply open Firefox, go to ublockorigin.com. I'll share the link in the description section of this video. Click on uBlock Origin, click on Add to Firefox or whatever browser it is, and then select Add. Click on OK. Open this. Now click on Settings here. After this, go to the Filter List tab. Click on Purge All Cookies. Now this option is grayed out on my system because I have already purged the cookies. But click on Purge All Cookies and then click on Update Now. Now, if you wish to know why we need to update this extension, the reason is that the obsolete version does not support the newer errors, the newer ad blockers. So you can update it to the latest version and then simply restart your browser and you will be able to access YouTube. If this was helpful, then please subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to comment in the comment section so that we know whether it helped you or not. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.